Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to add commands to Twitch. So to do this procedure, open up your Twitch account and then press the profile icon, go to channels. While you're on the channel section, you need to scroll down a bit and you could go ahead and open up your chat first thing. So what next you need to do is to enable the command. You could go ahead and type in simply exclamation mark, and then you need to go ahead and type in command add the prompt that you wish to with then add the read and hit enter button. So here you can see I've gone to the help center, so you could go and find out the articles regarding it. So basically they've provided a basic command, so you could go and read out this basic command for everyone. You could read out all and then apply it to your. So that's how you could go and add command on your Twitch account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.